Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to use the reference or citation or bibliography management tool, and in this video we will discuss two free sources that we can use for our citation management tool. First one is Mendeley and the other one is Zotero. So for using Mendeley citation management tool, we need to install three files. Number one is Mendeley Desktop for Windows. Number two is Mendeley Web Importer for Google Chrome. And the last one is MS Word plugin for installing the plugin into our MS Word. And we find this plugin when we open Mendeley, and there is one option called tool, and in tool we find this MS Word plugin option. So to download Mendeley Desktop, the free citation management tool, just open the Google Chrome and type Mendeley download for Windows 10 or whatever the Windows you are having, like 7 or others, or if you are working in some other operating system, then according to that you can download Mendeley Desktop. After searching it, we just open the first option, Mendeley Desktop, download Mendeley Desktop software. After clicking into it, we will visit to this website, and here is the option like download Mendeley Desktop for Windows. So if you are using Windows like 7, 8.1 and 10, then you need to click here. After clicking into this download Mendeley Desktop for Windows button, there is one window will appear. It will ask for creating account. If you are new or first time you are entering into Mendeley management website, then you need to enter all your details. But if you are already using it, then you can use sign in options. You can enter your institution also. So after giving our account information, there is one Mendeley Desktop setup wizard will open, and it will ask for the options like click next to continue. This is the setup for software installation or exe file installation into our desktop or laptop. After clicking next, there is an option for this run Mendeley Desktop, and then there is option for finish. After clicking this finish button, we land into this form, and here they write that welcome to Mendeley, like exe file is already downloaded, and after running that exe file, we just got this form, and then whatever the account details we have entered into during our account creation, we need to fill that email and the password. After entering email and password to our Mendeley, we have this page. Here they tell that you need to install reference manager. I already imported our that importer, so they tell that importer is already installed. And the third option like citation plugin, it is not installed yet, so we need to install it now. Then there is one option for adding or creating, like if you work on Google Scholar and you want to import documents or the citations, and so we need to this option, and those citation should be in that EndNote XML form or BibTeX form or RIS form. After clicking into next, there is second option for import Mendeley web importer for Chrome. So for downloading the documents from web, and if we are using Chrome, we need to search this Mendeley web importer for Chrome. So after searching this keywords into Chrome, I found this website of Mendeley and I click on get web importer for Chrome. After clicking on get web importer for Chrome, there is one option. They ask add Mendeley web importer, and we need to click on yes, add extension into it. So after clicking add extension, one red icon, the same icon will appear here. So after clicking that add extension, the Mendeley icon is coming into this window. After installing that web importer and that MS Word plugin and that installing Mendeley Desktop, they created a Mendeley Desktop icon on our desktop. After clicking on that icon, we have that synchronization option, like they have an option for sync. So while working on that web, the Mendeley is working on, it is saving our data into Mendeley cloud. So after whatever the information or articles we saved into Mendeley, first it goes into the Mendeley cloud, and afterwards when we open the Mendeley desktop, we need to click the sync option to download whatever the articles we have saved into Mendeley cloud or Mendeley library into this database Mendeley tool, what is saved on our desktop. So for syncing of files from Mendeley cloud to our desktop, we need to click on sync. After clicking on sync, they told us that there is one help button. So they just guide us how to cite, annotate and collaborate and many other things. So if you want to know more options or knowledge about Mendeley working, you can click on it and have view on it. So after entering our email and password into the Mendeley, when we opened the Mendeley desktop, user interface appears like this, and then MS Word plugin, we need to click on the tool option, and then we already installed the web importer, so there is no need to install it again. And then we need to install the MS Word plugin. If it is not installed, then click on it and it will install. These two are mandatory to work in Mendeley. So after clicking on that citation plugin, it prompt that it is already installed, and if it is not installed, then click on OK button. So after opening our MS Word document or our research report on which we are drafting, or our research article on which we are working, there is one insert citation button of Mendeley comes after inserting this plugin. So this is the page after installing that web importer and that MS Word plugin. The home page or the user interface of that Mendeley desktop page comes like this. There is one option for that drag and drop option. So if you have some articles that are saved into your laptop and you have on your desktop or download or somewhere, you just drag those articles or PDFs here, or maybe in documents, or maybe my publication, so they will automatically come into Mendeley. The other option is add. You can add also if some files or some bibtex file or that endnote file or some ref man or ref work, these are citations file, are saved somewhere, or maybe some article PDF that you have some in documents or in my computer or in desktop or in somewhere, you can add from here also. So we have two options, either that drag and drop, or maybe you can add from here, and we can sync our files from Mendeley Cloud from here also.